This is a 2012 Ram 1500. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, automatic locking wheel hubs, a passenger side vanity mirror, a chrome grille, dusk sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.